Hello, and thank you for joining me. If you're looking for a networking course that fits around your schedule, this might just be the one for you. Are you fed up with wasting precious time at networking meetings and struggling to get any business from it? Online courses can be difficult to slot into a busy schedule. I completely get that. We know that our in-person fast track and our online group courses don't suit everyone. And that's also why we've created a DIY course for people like you who need something a little bit more flexible. With our DIY course, you can access all the course material at your own pace, slotting in a quick 15 minutes here and there between meetings, work, life, whatever. There's no need to clear out your schedule for 2 days, like for our fast track course, nor do you need to keep regular slots free over 8 weeks, as you would do with our group course. There are no time pressures with our DIY course. Do it at a pace that suits you. Still, the sooner you complete the course, the faster you'll be able to get more from your networking meetings, and the quicker you'll be invited to join the exclusive DARWIN.vip community. Our team will be on hand to help you through the course in case you have any questions along the way, so you're not on your own. Soon, you'll become a fully fledged, successful networker. Want to make networking work for you? It's easy. Simply click the button below to grab your spot now. We'll be with you every step of the way. Can't wait to see you there.